Excuse me. Oh, sorry. I'm just headed to the park. You're stunningly beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I just wanted to say hi.
Thank you.
Yeah. What are you up to?
I'm actually going to buy a vape right now.
You're going to what?
Buy a vape.
Oh, what are you gonna get, an Elf bar?
No, a geek bar, probably.
Oh, those are good, yeah. You gotta try the Tyson ones.
Tyson?
I'm going to meet up with some buddies right now.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm going to meet a friend later as well.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
We should hang out sometime.
Yeah, sure.
What's your name?
Vera.
I'm Aaron.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you as well.
Do you want to put your Instagram?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead and put it in there. You're going to get a geek bar. I'm actually addicted to nicotine gum. So.
I've never tried that.
Oh, it's very good. You want a piece?
No.
You could give it a shot.
No, it doesn't sound like it tastes very good.
Oh, it's very good. And then you get the added benefit of the fresh breath.
Oh.
You said Vera?
Yeah.
Is that an Italian name?
No, Russian.
Oh.
I used to live in Moscow. I'm Russian, and then I moved to London, and then I moved here.
Okay, so first off, welcome to your boot camp. This is going to be hands out of the pockets. No hands in the pockets. Never hands in the pockets. Thumbs are cool. This is cool.
Okay.
This is beta.
All right.
Okay, this is beta. Hello. Hi, I'm Aaron. Versus like, what's up, I'm Aaron. Right? Like, thumbs in pockets is cool, hands not cool. Okay, so that's step number one. All right. Even just this whole concept you're talking about of like, oh, they're all so cool. I'm not cool.
Feels that way.
You are cool. You're a cool dude.
Gotta feel cool.
You've got to feel cool. And yeah, you do kind of got to be cool. Did you watch my video recently called How to Be Cool?
Maybe?
Okay.
Sounds pretty relevant.
Okay, yeah, it's very relevant. Yeah. We got to make a part 2 for him. Yeah. You know what? Let's just talk real quick about being cool. Okay, let's talk about that. I really believe that being cool is kind of everything, truly. And really cool people, they are moving to the world and they're the main character. That's what really cool people do. They're the main character, and because they're the main character, getting fucking little rejections or this and that, it's like, dummy. Oh, you could have been a part of this movie. You could have been a part of my shit, idiot. And dude, like, especially when I'm in my own hometown, when I have a good thing with a chick and she does not fucking hit me back or isn't down to see me again or something, I'm like, what a fool. What a foolish girl. Like, I think that I really believe that. I'm like, bro, I've dated so many girls that like tell me crazy shit where they're just like, you are like, even my current girl, like recently, she was like, you're one of a kind. She's like, I just feel like I've never met somebody like you, and I don't think I ever would again. And I was like, yeah, it's true. So you've got to get to this point also where you feel as though you're bringing so much value to these women that it's like their loss, truly. So that's important. That's part of being cool. Another thing about being cool is, dressing well. You want to dress well. You guys all look great. You all look good. I want brighter colors from you tomorrow.
Really? Okay.
Majorly.
Okay.
Daygame especially.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't wear this outfit tomorrow.
All right.
Daygame, I want brighter colors. White shirt. You got white pants?
White pants? No.
Okay, that's okay. You got blue jeans?
Yeah.
Black jeans are fine, but a very bright shirt.
Okay.
You got like a pink shirt?
Pink? No. I could wear something brighter though.
Wear something bright.
Yeah.
And get some pink. Pink would look good on you, bro.
Yeah?
Yes. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes. You want to dress well, right? Another part of being cool is, speaking in a way where everything you're telling them is important. Right now, I can't picture you ranting about your experiences in Asia in a way where you're like flexing.
I mean, I probably could present it that way.
Right.
Yeah.
Give
Or
an example.
What?
Give an example.
Yeah, where, you're just basically like, you're talking about, you go, yeah, so how much time were you there?
2 years.
Okay, right. So you go, yeah, so I've just been back in the US now for maybe like 6 months. I was in Korea for 2 years actually. She's gonna go, oh, what were you there for? You go, so I started out, and you just want to rant and tell stories about when you were there. And I've gone on some trips where I actually don't have a cool story because it's shit I can't tell girls. The coolest story is like the girl that I so I can like tell you guys. But to the girl, it's like I don't have anything about some of these trips, you know? Like, so I would make shit up. I don't know. Like, yeah, we went to the fucking beach. It was this homeless guy. I had to fight him. It was crazy. You know, he almost won. It was nuts. I did have a homeless guy steal my shoes on one of these Miami trips, and I had to like chase him down. It was
there for that.
You were
That's
there
funny.
for that, yeah. Yeah, it was crazy.